Start not nor deem my spirit fled, in me behold the only skull, from which, unlike a living head, whatever flows is never dull. I lived, I loved, I quaffed like thee, I died, let the earth my bones resign. Philip, thou canst not injure me. The worm has fouler lips than thine. Better to hold the sparkling grape than nurse the spirit's worm's slimy brood, and circle the goblet's shape, the drink of gods than reptile food. Where once my wit perchance hath shone, in aid of others let me shine, and when, alas, our brains are gone, what nobler substitute than wine? Quaff while thou canst, another race, when thou and thine, like me, are sped, may rescue thee from earth's embrace, and rhyme and revel with the dead. Why not? Since thou life's little day, our heads such sad effects produce, redeemed from worms and wasting clay, this chance is theirs to be of use. George Gordon, Lord Byron.